once we get the lightning real close. So, and I might even hop off camera here and then I'll show you guys the video on camera here. So I'm gonna test them out too. I'm gonna show you guys something. I don't show many other things. So maybe you guys will like that. Skywatchers, Michigan. Yeah, if you ever heard of this channel too, I'm gonna. One of my most favorite videos by you guys. Needs to start kind of watching out because we're expecting some severe thunderstorms, some warnings to pop up more than what it is. These storms were down here in Illinois earlier. Now they're up here in Michigan. So everybody just needs to start watching out, getting their safe spots in areas like Muskegon, 70 miles an hour is possible. Doesn't mean everything's going to happen, but just be careful. So anybody's over there in these areas needs to start kind of watching out because we're expecting some severe thunderstorms, some warnings to pop up more than what it is. These storms were down here in Illinois earlier. Now they're up here in Michigan. So everybody just needs to start watching out, getting their safe spots in areas like Muskegon, 70 miles an hour is possible. Doesn't mean everything's going to happen, but just be careful. So anybody's over there in these areas needs to start kind of watching out because we're expecting. All right, so what I was kind of using that video as a reference. So everybody in those areas needs to be careful. So the areas, people are doing live coverage right now. What I'm doing right now, I am live, but I am not live like you think I am. So, all right, we'll go back to what we're doing right now. Okay, the storm is approaching. All right, so I would be in the safe zone in St. Clair County, the areas of Sandusky as well. Pretty much anywhere in Michigan that's having a storm right now. Anywhere in Michigan that's having a storm right now. It sounds a little weird, but any Michigan that has a warning has a storm. So 4 counties that had storms: Carroll, Cass, Mount Morris, Columbia, Mumby, Bearville, whatever that name is. You guys can help me in the comments. I'll have comments open for that one. Yeah. And Goodland. And Emily City. So that's what we're looking at right now. We're not looking at anything. We're looking at severe weather, but we're not looking. I'll even tell you guys about damage reports actually right now too, because in the last 30 minutes. All right, let's do the last 3 hours. All right, the last 3 hours we have had damage reports. So this storm is, I would say risky. I would say risky business, but I wouldn't necessarily put it dangerous. I'm gonna actually put my mouse in so we actually can go put some. And then for the few minutes, we're gonna roll radars, and I'm gonna actually flip. So what's the plan? I think just sit and wait. Just sit and wait right now. I think I'm gonna go look at a few things while we're waiting for another warning to come out. And then I'll come back live as soon as that happens. All right. Go look at seasonal outlooks real quick. All right. We're gonna look at a seasonal outlook right now. Season outlook for July. No, not July. No, false news, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry, if something's wrong here, I'm just thinking. All right, so right now in most of the Midwest and most of the U.S. for August, September, and October, we're gonna have that 40 to 50% above normal. So we'll have a warmer fall for the most part. As I'm waiting for that warning, as soon as we get a warning, for this county, I'll be back to do the other part of the video. But just right now, I want to make sure that we're covering everything. Okay, I covered that right now. What do you want to cover now? So now, I want to go to something. The National Weather Service right now. I'm going to. So we'll cut things out of this video, of course, because of the how long it is. But I want to. All right. All right, you guys are not going to see my camera for a second here, but I'm going to go over to tell you what tonight's lows are going to be. And I want to go. All right, let's go back in here and see. Right now we have absolutely no warnings for this. No warnings for Emmett right now. I'm just looking at. All right, probably will have some warnings pretty soon here. We got a ton of rain coming. I mean, how many inches do you think we'll get? Probably 7 inches. No, I think 4. I think 2 to 4 inches. I'm looking at my other laptops computers right now. Yeah, I'm looking at. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of rain. So everybody, be ready to hear thunder for hours. And I don't mean this is gonna last 5 minutes. This is gonna last several hours. This is gonna be loud. This is gonna be loud. So some of the radars are saying it's not gonna last as long as it's saying. Am I believing that? Probably no. I'm not believing that because. And now it could go into tomorrow. Now, so if anybody has any plans tomorrow, I would say I didn't know that, but now we have a 55% chance of rain tomorrow in Michigan. So, in some areas in Michigan. So, right now, currently at the weather house, it's about in the 70s. At the weather area, it's in the 70s right now. Tomorrow's forecast, tomorrow's 82 degrees with the 55% chance of rain. Sun and some clouds with a shower in places, humid. So still humid tomorrow even. I mean, that's crazy. So the forecast has changed a lot. So expect more showers tomorrow. Sorry. So it's not gonna get any when is it gonna get better? Not anytime soon. Not maybe until maybe next Tuesday right now. What? Did you say next Tuesday? Yes. Next Tuesday might not be better until. Yeah. It could change again. All right. The lows for the Midwest tonight. Low temperatures tonight for Port Huron, 68 degrees, 69, 67, 68, 68. By Holland, 69. Muskegon tonight, you're going to see lows around 68 degrees. So, pretty comfortable. So, pretty darn comfortable. So, I would say that's going to be pretty good. Short range forecast. Let's look at a short range. All right, right now, so this is Wednesdays. That rain, this is Wednesday at 12 p.m. Still here. It may not be until Thursday morning when we have the rain leave. So, yeah. We'll look at a medium range forecast now. So, I'm thinking. So tomorrow, I'm looking at a mesoscale discussion, 1 to 2 hours. This is for today, right? This is for, yeah. So lots of rain. So rainfall 1 to 2 inches per hour. Yeah, so 1 to 2 inches per hour maybe. So I would just be concerned because we could have flash floods tonight. We could have flash floods here in the mid-state. I'm looking at precipitation amounts over the next over the next 6 hours. I'll give you exact totals in a second. I'm just all right. So lows tonight, the mid 60s, the mid to low 60s. Maybe some areas will be in the 70s, but I think it'll be for the most part cool. And then this is tonight. For tomorrow, for Wednesday, about the mid 80s, the mid to lower 80s tomorrow. So anywhere from 86 to 82 degrees in the lower part of the mid. Upper part of the mid, anywhere from the upper 60s to the lower 70s, the lower to mid 70s. So pretty warm tomorrow. And this area forecasted 76 degree, not 76, forecasted for Wednesday 82 degrees. So warm. So precipitation total over the next 12 hours. We are expecting it to get anywhere into that 90, that 50. I'll give you the exact totals. I'm just, you guys, so you don't have to guess anymore. All right, that rainstorm is going to be heavy rain, lightning, thunder. This is going to be dangerous. I mean, I'm not going to say too much about the dangerous part anymore. I'm going to give you guys totals of what this rain is going to cause. All right, this storm has went below 3-year limits for now. For now. I mean, just for now. This is for now. Doesn't mean permanently. So I'd still take the storm seriously, but not as seriously if there was a warning. Alright, I'm still going to give you guys. Alright, so there's still warnings popping up, so it's still going to be tricky to tell. After tonight, this is rainfall right now, Corbin. Some areas could pick up 3 inches by tomorrow. .7 inches in some spots in Michigan. So 3.7 to maybe a half an inch. It depends how this rain comes and goes. Depends how this rain comes and goes. So I'm looking at So I'm going to leave you guys with that for now. That's me, the Great Lakes Ninja, signing out. B, Skywatchers, Michigan. Have your mitten up. Don't have the sky down.